Hello students, so today we will discuss exercise 2.5 which is last exercise of our chapter 2. So up to question number 3 we have already discussed. Now question number 4. Expand each of the following using suitable identities. Okay, so our first question is x plus 2y plus 4z whole square. So we know one identity. In last lecture we have discussed a plus b plus c whole square is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Now let's compare this x is a, b is 2y and c is 4z. So if we want to expand this with this identity, a square means x square, b square means plus 2y whole square, c square means 4z whole square. Now plus 2 into a, what is a here? X. What is b here? 2y, so 2y plus 2 into b, b is 2y and c is 4z, so into 4z. Now plus 2 into c, c is 4z and a is x. Now simplify it, x square, this will be 2y square will be 4y square, 4z square will be 16z square. Now 2 2s are 4, 4x y. 2 into 2 into 4, so 4 to 8 and 8 to 16, 16 yz. Now 4 to 8, 8 zx. So this will be your answer. Okay, so by this method we will solve our questions. Let's see question number 5. It's given that factorize. First one is 4x square plus 9y square plus 16z square plus 12xy minus 24yz minus 16xz. Okay, we have to simplify this. So let's take 4x square as 2x whole square, we can write it. 9y square as 3y whole square and 16z square. See, here is minus, so we will take plus minus 4z square, because when we square any negative number it will give positive only. Okay, now see, here is 2x, here is 3x. Already we know the formula that a plus b plus c whole square is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Okay, now here a into b means this into this, so here is 2x into 3y, so we can write as 2 into 2x into 3y. Now check it, 3 2 is 6, 6 to 12, so it will be 12xy. Now it's 2bc, so plus 2 into what is b, 3y, and what is c, minus 4z. Check, 3 to 6 4, 24 minus, because this is minus. Now the third one is plus 2ca, so c into a, so plus 2 into what is c, minus 4z, what is a, 2x. Now check, 4 to 8 to 16, 16x z. Now we can directly write this expression as 2x plus 3y minus 4z whole square, as it is in the form of a plus b plus c whole square. So this will be your answer. One more question is there, you will try yourself. Okay, now let's see question number 6. Write the following cubes in expanded form. So our first question is 2x plus 1 whole cube. So we know the cubic identities, as a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube, b plus c whole cube is equal to b plus c whole cube, c plus d whole cube is equal to d plus e whole cube. So a plus b whole cube is equal to plus b cube plus 3ab square plus 3a square b, or we can write this as a cube plus b cube plus 3ab bracket a plus b. This is same thing. If you multiply this and open the bracket, you will get this one only. Okay, now this 2x plus 1 whole cube, we will expand with this formula. What is a here? 2x, so 2x whole cube. What is b here? 1, so 1 cube. Now 3ab square, so 3 into a. What is a? 2x into b square means into 1 square plus 3a square b, so 3 into what is a? 2x, so 2x square or into b is 1. Now let's see, 2x cube means 2 to 4 to 8, 8x cube. 1 cube will be 1 only. 3 to 6 x. Here 2 ka square, 2 4x square, 4 3 12. So what we will get? So this is your answer. More questions are there. Try to solve it. If you face any problem, you can ask. Okay. Now question number 7. 7 type of question in this exercise is: evaluate the following. Evaluate the following. Evaluate the following using suitable identities. So first question is 99 whole cube. So this 99 we can write as 100 minus 1 whole cube. Now we know the formula of a minus b whole cube. It's a cube minus b cube minus 3a plus 3ab square, because in outside bracket it is in the form like this: a cube minus b cube minus 3ab bracket a minus b. Okay, now we can use this formula, compare this and expand. So 100 whole cube minus 1 cube minus 3 into 100 square into 1 plus 3 into 100 into 1 square. So here we got 4 zeros. This is minus 1, this is minus 3 and 100 square. So this is 100 cube, so we have to use 6 zeros. Okay, and here 100 square, so 4 zeros plus 300. Okay, now what we get when we calculate this? 10,000, so let's say minus 1, 6 zeros. Okay, now minus 1, this will be 4 zeros, 30,000 plus 300. Now when we calculate, we will get 970299. Okay, check it by yourself, add and subtract. So next type of question is question number 8. Factorize each of the following. So first one is 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square. Again the same of a plus b cube form. So we can write 8a cube as 2a whole cube, b cube as b cube, this as 3 into 2a whole square into b as 3a square b, because we know the formula. What is formula? A plus b whole cube, it's a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b and 3ab square. So 3 to 6, 2 to 4, 3 12, 6a square we will get. Okay, and the last one is 3 into 2a into b square. See, 3 to 6 and ab square. Now we can write it easily 2a plus b whole cube, because it is in the form of a plus b whole cube. Okay, now question number 9th. Verify. We have to verify. First question is x cube plus y cube is equal to x plus y, x square minus xy plus y square. Okay, now this is LHS and this is RHS. So first we will take in this situation RHS. RHS means right hand side, LHS means left hand side. So x plus y, x square minus xy plus y square. Now multiply this. So take first x and write the whole thing, x square minus xy plus y square. Now take y plus y and write all the statement, x square minus xy plus y square. Multiply this, x into x square x cube, x into minus xy minus x square y, x into y square xy square plus y into x square yx square into minus plus y minus xy, so minus xy square, and plus y and plus y square, so y cube. See here, xy square and xy square will cancel out, x square y and x square will cancel out. What we will get? X cube plus y cube, and this is equal to LHS. So like this we will verify these types of questions. Okay, so in this exercise these types of questions are there.